Hey guys, it's Anthony Yoder with Rockwood, and today we get to introduce you to a new segment we're doing here called our 5x3. We're going to give you 5 of our favorite features about some of our favorite models in under 3 minutes. Today we're starting with your Geo Pro G20BHS, coming in at 21 feet 2 inches and just at 3,500 pounds, and we're giving you a full-length power awning. See, most trailers this size either settle for no awning at all or give you a small manual awning. With our full-length power awning, you and your family can enjoy outside your camper, rain or shine. Now let's take a look on the inside. Another one of my favorite features about the Geo Pro G20BHS is that it's a bunkhouse with enough sleeping space for a family of 6. TV placement is an important feature in any floor plan. The placement of our TV in this floor plan allows you to see it from the bed, the dinette, or either of the 2 bunks, allowing you to watch your favorite movies from wherever you are. When shopping for a bunkhouse floor plan, a tub can be an important feature. While most small trailers give you just a small shower, we give you, as you can see, a large tub shower.
My final feature is side entry door with easy access to underbunk storage.
Everyone, thanks for joining us for today's segment of 5x3. Check back next week for the next segment.